When spills happen, be ready with XSORB Spill Cleanup, the 1-minute dry cleanup. XSORB absorbs 7.5 times more than clay, and it leaves surfaces dry and residue-free. XSORB Spill Cleanup is lightweight and easy to handle. It's completely non-toxic and environmentally friendly. XSORB absorbs quickly for a fast and easy cleanup. XSORB is available in several sizes for your convenience. 2-liter bag, 6-quart bottle, 4-gallon pail with scoop, 1.75 cubic foot large bag, and a large 25-pound box. With XSORB Spill Cleanup, the floor is clean and dry in no time.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.